So for this tutorial, you're going to need two different coloured yarns. I'm using DK yarn in emerald green and I think this is olive green. A 2.5mm hook. You're going to need to weave in those ends and a pair of scissors. So for this tutorial, we are going to use the dark green first and we're going to do a slip knot. So wrap around your fingers twice. Insert your hook like so, under first loop, over the second loop, like so. And now we're just going to chain. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now for this tutorial, you chain as many as you need to fit your desired length. So you can just keep going, but what we will be doing is we'll be adding leaves as we go. So to add a leaf, you'll want 13 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And to start your leaf off, we're going to single crochet in the third chain from our hook. So 1, we want 11 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From there, we return to chaining. So just go 1, 2, and chain as many as you like until you want to do your next leaf. There is no set amount of chains to do in between each leaf. You can do as many as you like. You just keep chaining until you've got your desired length. Once you have got to the size that you want or the length that you want, come back and we will do the leaves. So your headband at the moment should look a little bit like this, just chains with random 11 single crochet, like so. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our other yarn colour and we are going to, on the back end of the leaf stem, right here, you can see, we are going to insert our hook. So right there. Just create a loop and pull through like so. Pinch it next to the stem and we're going to go and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to do a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And we're going to do 4 treble crochets in total. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Again, last time, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, and there you go. Now we're going to do 2 half treble crochets. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And again, because we want 2 half treble crochets. So into the yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Now we're going to do double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. We're going to do another one because we want 2 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Now we're going to do a half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And again, we want another half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then we're going to do a single crochet. So we're going to insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. And now we're at the chain 2 space from when we made our stems. And for that, we're going to insert our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through to do a single crochet, yarn over and pull through again. I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to insert our hook into the side of the single crochet. So through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that is how you do a peacock stitch. It's as simple as that. So now we're going to do another single crochet, and then we're going to mirror what we did on the other side. So for that, we're going to do a half double crochet in the next stitch, a half double crochet in the next stitch, a double crochet in the next stitch, a double crochet in the next stitch, a half treble crochet in the next stitch, a half treble crochet in the next stitch, a treble crochet in the next 4 stitches. So we want 4 treble crochet. So that's 1 treble crochet, another treble crochet in the next stitch, another treble crochet in the next stitch, and 1 last treble crochet, now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch into the next chain, like so. And there you have it. So put your yarn, pull through like so. There you have a beautiful leaf. So do all of your leaves and then we'll weave in the ends. So come back when you finish your leaves.